get dressed with ease. Here's a tip. Come into your closet once a week and do what I call bring your closet back to start. That is just the process of bringing it back to clean, bringing it back to organize. If you're anything like me, our closets can become a place where we stash and dash things. We're often in a hurry and we grab, and things can get wonky very quickly. So coming in here once a week and just bringing it back to start is a way to set yourself up for a week of getting dressed with ease. So pull out any hangers that are empty. Pull out any clothes that need to be washed. Iron anything that you notice needs it. Do some dusting and vacuuming. The more you do this work, the easier it gets. But oftentimes we view our closets as a place we go into when we have an entire afternoon and we're going to do a huge purge, and it's going to take hours and hours and hours, which leads to overwhelm and ultimately not getting it done. If you put it on your schedule to do once a week, it really doesn't take very much time. It also helps you to very much so stay in touch with your closet and notice the things you need or things that need to be replaced. So, how to get dressed with ease? Bring your closet back to start once a week. The more you do this work, the easier it gets. I am a closet coach. I help women to get dressed with ease. I help them to curate a wardrobe they love. I have an online program that includes closet coaching by myself once a week. And it walks you through the process of how to curate a wardrobe you love, which is ultimately just a series of making very powerful decisions. I look forward to having you in the program. We'll see you inside.